Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and these are cake toppers that I used recently on a baby shower cake that I made that had a woodland creature theme. I'm so impressed with the quality of these felt trees. They come in a variety of sizes. The trees are so detailed, and I love the fact that they're felt, which means that nothing fell off the tree and got into the frosting of my cake. I was so impressed with how sweet they looked on the cake and how popular the cake was with both the mom-to-be and the guests. It was a really fabulous looking cake, and I have to say, I really attribute it to how beautiful the felt trees were. And after I took them off of the cake, I decided they're just too sweet to not use again. They're easily reusable, and I decided to place them in as decoration in some of my house plants around my house. I am really pleased with the purchase of these felt decorations. I like how long they are, and there's no dye on the wood, so you don't have to worry about dye transfer in your frosting, and nothing fell off of them, they don't shed anything into the frosting of your cake, so they're very safe to use. If you have a woodland or forest theme and you want to place some trees, I highly recommend these felt trees. They came beautifully packaged and in a wide variety of kinds and a wide variety of sizes. And I love the fact that they're durable enough for me to reuse, and I love the way they look in my house plants too. And that is my point of view.